Hi guys, what's up? Today is Sunday and I was supposed to go to church, but uh, I'm having a trouble with my stomach and I need to go to CR because I'm releasing the negative energy. And my brother is still asleep and yeah, I huh? Unsa man ni? I changed my clothes and I'm wearing now a pambahay because the service is now officially closed. It's almost over. Yeah, yes. Wala lang. Naruto. Salamat. Happy Sunday, everybody.